Hi, I'm Craig Phillips and I'm often asked which tools are required for sealant applications. The best thing about applying sealants is that you don't actually need expensive gadgets or tools to do it from start to finish, just a few basic bits. Obviously, when it comes to hand tools for mastic sealants, the most important place to start is with a gun. Actually, we have a great blog guide on the subject on our website. The most common type of standard size cartridges is a skeleton gun, but for some professionals, depending on the thickness of the materials, prefer to use what's known as a professional gun, which is a little bit more heavy duty. Whatever you use should be your choice, and whatever you feel comfortable with, that works for you. The next thing to consider is the tooling or finishing the sealant, which requires either a dedicated stick or a similar tooling block, or if you're like me, you tend to use your finger, but sometimes that's a little bit of a taboo with the professionals. Now, whatever you use to smooth off the gunned out bead, you'll need a liquid solution to make a barrier to stop the tool sticking to the material, which tends to drag the sealant and makes it hard to control. Some use a dedicated tooling liquid for this, or others just mix up a bit of water and washing up liquid. Now, if you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, follow us on all social media handles. And of course, if you want to know more about the products, just check out their website.